Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zelle for fast claim reimbursements, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Zelle app on your mobile device. If you do not have Zelle installed, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, sign in using your existing credentials or create a new account. After signing in, navigate to the settings menu within the app. Look for the account or profile section. In this section, locate the option to add bank account or link account. Select your preferred bank from the list provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your bank account details. Confirm your bank account by verifying the required information. Once your bank account is linked, return to the main dashboard. Now, locate the option to add recipient or send money. Enter the email address or mobile number of the recipient you wish to reimburse. Make sure this recipient is also registered with Zelle for the transaction to proceed smoothly. Next, input the amount you want to reimburse. Include a brief note or description for the transaction if desired. Review the details to ensure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, tap the Send button to initiate the reimbursement. Your transaction will be processed quickly, usually within minutes. You will receive a notification once the transaction is completed. Keep a copy of the transaction details for your records. If needed, you can also access your transaction history through the app. This will help you track your reimbursements and manage your finances effectively. In case you encounter any issues, consult the Zelle support page for assistance. Following this guide will ensure fast claim reimbursements using Zelle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.